Our next example is F. That is 39825 divided by 25. Okay. So first of all, what we will do? Our divisor is 25. Our dividend is 39825. So we will write down the table of 25. Okay. So we can split this as 20 plus 5. So write down the table of 2 and 2.0. Write down the table of 5, then add. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. 2.0, then it will become table of 20 plus table of 5. 5 is the 5, 5 is the 10, 5 is the 15, 5 is the 20, 5 is the 25, 5 is the 35, 7 is the 35, 5 is the 40, 5 is the 45, and 5 is the 50. Add 20 plus 5, 25, 50, 75, 100, 125, 150, 175, 200, 225, and finally 250. So we have got the table of 250 with us. Okay, we have got table of 25. Sorry. So now we write down the dividend, that is 39825 divided by 25. Okay, first of all, what we will do is select two numbers. Okay, two digits. Okay, and 39 is greater than 25. So we can proceed. Okay. So 39, where 39 will come? Here it will come in between 25 and 50. So can we take 50? If you take 50, it will be greater. So we will not take 50. You have to choose the closest value, but it should be less, either equal or less than the required dividend. So this we can take. Okay, so 25 ones are 25. 9 minus 5 is 4. 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, bring this 8 down. Where is 148? 148, here is 148. In between 125 and 150. You cannot take this number, you cannot. You have to take 125. Okay, so it will be 1s are, 2s are, 3s are, 4s are, 5s are. Okay, it will be 5s are. 125. 8 minus 5 is what? 3. 4 minus 2 is what? 2. 1 minus 1 is what? 0. Okay, bring this 2 down. 232. What is 232? So here it will be 232. In between 225 and 250. Okay. So we cannot take this number. We have to go with 225. So it will be what? 9s are. So 25 9s are 225. Can we subtract 5 from 2? No, we cannot subtract 5 from 2. Okay, we will have to borrow from the neighboring digit. This will become 2, this will become 12, 1 minus 5 is what? 7. 2 minus 2 is 0, 2 minus 2 is again 0. Now we are having the last digit, break it down. This will be 5. Okay, 75. So we are having already, this is 3s are. Okay, 25 3s are 75. 5 minus 5 is 0, 7 minus 7 is again 0. So this is our remainder. This is our quotient. So the quotient is 1593 and our remainder is 0, 0. So this was 39825 divided by 25. Okay. So 1593 is our quotient and remainder is 0, 0.